Understanding your cats. Trust. A simple syllogism. Have you ever noticed your cat snoring softly while sleeping? Or rolling onto its back to show its belly? These tiny moments say a lot. They're signs your cat feels safe and trusts you. Here's how it works. Major premise. Cats show trust through relaxed, vulnerable behaviours. Minor premise. Snoring and belly exposure are signs of relaxation and trust. Conclusion. If your cat does these things, it trusts you deeply. This is like a syllogism, a simple way of thinking. If A trust leads to B relaxed behaviours, and your cat does B, then A must be true. So next time your cat snoozes loudly or rolls over, smile. It's their way of saying, "You're my safe place."